What internet marketing expert should you spend your valuable time listening to? Listen to someone who has over 20 years of web marketing experience and hundreds of website marketing success stories. That man is Aaron Sparks from Site Strategics. And this is Edge of the Web Radio.
Quickly, we got an article from Search Engine Journal by Neil Patel, fantastic author, and he really brings some great information to the table. I can't really do it justice with the amount of time I have left, but I'll quickly go through a number of these key factors here. And Evergreen pages. Guys, tell me quickly what you think Evergreen is really about.
Long-lasting, always relevant.
Boom, there it is. That's it for the sake of definition. An evergreen page is a single page on your website that consistently earns organic traffic for a given keyword. So, I mean, it's a mindset of creating evergreen content. You guys do that all the time over at DK.
Yep.
And you develop evergreen content, valuable content. It's a style of writing, and it's a style of content creation, visually and otherwise. The fact of the matter is that's pretty general, but to the point, evergreen is a comprehensive strategy rather than a method. By this definition, even the homepage could be evergreen if you so choose to create it that way. So let's go through even e-commerce pages. Check this out. An e-commerce page could be an evergreen page, a product category page, right? Many e-commerce SEOs pull their hair out by trying to over-optimizing all of these specific product pages, but that's not really where the evergreen is in that space. Evergreen can solve the SEO conundrum there by actually creating good, valuable content on that category. Traditionally, the category is a very thin page that wants to get you to the products as quickly as possible, right? But, I mean, when I type in outdoor grill or gas grill, right? Home Depot's product category page is in the top 3 organics on Google. It's because they've invested a lot of content on that category page. There's a lot of visual conversion points of, split offs into different categories, but there is a block of 2.5 paragraphs worth of content. Okay, so the key factors of a evergreen optimized page here, it should be driving content. It should be driving good information on that and useful information on that page. It should not be something that's a quick thoroughfare to something else. It should be useful in its own merit, and you should have the thing optimized. Have 600 words or more on a page with helpful illustrations, great formatting, and well-written content, not just a block of content. Nobody reads a block of content. Break it up with bullet points, key factors that are going to be interesting enough. I mean, the eye goes to those bullets before anything else.
Bullets, bolded text,
Yep.
Highlighted text, underlined text.
Absolutely. How do you create them? You create them by this. Pick a single keyword, a long tail keyword, not a general keyword.
3 to 5.
3 to 5. It's absolutely the case. Your evergreen page should focus on a single long tail keyword. Head terms like SEO and Apple probably aren't the best target terms. Instead, go for the long tail terms. Create a keyword driven URL. Put the keyword, the phrase in the URL itself. We've seen that actually is a ranking factor.
Images.
Images are very much important there because it's going to lock that use in. People are going to go to those bullets, the graphics before anything else. Optimizing the titles and the H1s and doing what's basically standard, but making it useful. Getting links from other evergreen content pages. All of a sudden, you're actually creating a freshness there, and that's the last point. Keeping the freshness factor up, updating it regularly, at least once every 3 months. Change about 25% of that content, adding additional pages on a regular basis. That's where you should be investing your time. Like I said, check this out online on the links that we have at Edge of the Web Radio. It's a fantastic article about evergreen content. If you want to have a SEO strategy that works, do it right there with evergreen content. All right, thanks for listening to Edge of the Web Radio.